What is the number one reason traders lose money? It's not picking the wrong direction. It's trading when you shouldn't be trading at all. I'm talking about the chopping block, those sideways, ranging markets that eat your account balance alive. Look at this. This tool explicitly tells you the market is ranging. And when we look at the chart, it's dead flat. It warns you to stay out. But then, boom, it spots the trend the second it happens. In this video, I'm not just showing you what this indicator is. I'm going to give you the specific cheat code settings to filter out the noise. Let's get this set up.
Before we continue, I have a massive challenge for you. Fastbull just launched their 2026 Gold Global Trading Contest, and the stakes are huge. Here is the best part. It is 100% free to register. You aren't just playing for bragging rights. The first prize winner takes home $6,000, and they are handing out cash prizes to the entire top 20. I'm signing up right now because I want to see who in this community has the skills to actually outsmart the market. So, can you beat me? Click the link in the description, register for free, and let's see your name on that leaderboard. Let the games begin.
Go to TradingView. I'm using the 15-minute time frame on BTC USD, but this works on almost any asset. Open your Indicators tab and search for Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter. You want the one created by AlgoAlpha. Out of the box, it looks cool, but it's not ready for what we need. This tool combines Gaussian filtering with linear regression. Basically, that's fancy talk for it makes the trend lines silky smooth so you don't get faked out by small candle spikes. Now pay attention here. The default settings are okay, but we need to tune this for precision. Open the settings. First, on the Inputs tab, change the table size to large so we can actually see the data. Here is the most important tweak. Find the Gaussian length. Default is 15. That is way too sensitive. We are going to crank this up to 150. This filters out almost all the market noise. Next, leave the poles alone, but change the smoothing length from 22 to 30. This refines that trend line even further. Now let's clean up the visuals. Turn on mid-trend signals. Turn on trailing bands. Turn off volume intensity highlighting. We don't need it for this specific strategy. Finally, go to the Style tab. Uncheck the generic bullish and bearish labels. They just clutter up the screen. Click OK. Now we are ready to cook. The ribbon is your traffic light. Green means we only look for buys. Red means we only look for sells. But the real power is in this multi-time frame table. It scans the market across 5 different time frames simultaneously. Make sure your table is set to scan the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour charts. This is how we confirm a trend is actually real, and not just a fake out on the lower time frames. Okay, here is the exact strategy. We are not just blindly entering when the line turns green. We need specific criteria. Here are the rules for a long position. Rule number 1. Look at the table. We need the market to be bullish on at least 4 out of the 5 time frames. Even if one is ranging, that's fine, as long as the other 4 are green. Rule number 2. Wait for the pullback. We want the price to come down and physically touch the Gaussian band. It can wick into it or close inside it, but it cannot close below it. If it closes below the band, the setup is invalid. Rule number 3, the trigger. We are looking for a specific candle pattern, a red candle followed by an engulfing green candle. Engulfing just means the green body is larger than the previous red one. This tells us the buyers have stepped back in with power. Let's watch it in action. Here the table is 4 out of 5 bullish. Check. Price pulls back and touches the green band. Check. We see a small red candle, followed immediately by a big green candle that engulfs it. That is your entry. Set your stop loss just below the recent swing low. For this strategy, we target a 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. Simple, clean, effective. For a short trade, we just flip it. Table is mostly bearish. Price pulls back up to the red band. We wait for a green candle followed by an engulfing red candle. Enter short, stop loss above the high, aim for 1.5R. This indicator is powerful because it keeps you out of bad trades when the table says ranging and gets you into good trades when the trend is clear. Give the Smooth Gaussian Trend Filter a try on your charts and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you learned something new today, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.